Hi everyone, this is Nicole and Jenna with How the Heck, and today we're just going to go over some nice little acupressure mats that we have and like to send clients home with at the end of treatments. It can just be an easy way to get in some acupressure while you're watching TV, while you're laying down and taking a little rest. This is a little mat that you stand on. Jenna, do you want to start with this guy?
Sure, yeah. This one you can also sit and put your feet on. If it's like, if standing on it is too much pressure, just whenever you're sitting down, if you're at the office or having dinner, you can lay barefoot. And if barefoot's too much sensation, then you can put socks on and use it that way too.
Here, let's start with this one then. And so basically, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but they're like bigger bumps with little like
knobby
rubber nodule things in the middle, and that's just where your arch is going to go. So you can put one on each side, either on the floor, which will give you some like pretty hard pressure. It might be too much for you. And then Jenna, do you want to show how to do it sitting, like on the bed?
Yeah, I mean, so obviously, like, I would be on a chair, imagine me on a chair, and I'll place my feet over the arches here, and then I can just leave them like this. Yeah, and if, again, if that's too much sensation, then you can put socks on. Sometimes this is nice to do, you can check out our foot soak video, and sometimes this is a really nice thing to do after you do a foot soak. So you can combine those two things together for some great foot therapy. And as we know, the feet are like a microcosm of the whole body. So reflexology work on the bottom of the feet is actually going to help a bunch of stuff throughout your body anyway. So it's a great, highly recommend.
Yeah, and especially if you can only come in to see your acupuncture maybe once a month, kind of extends your treatment.
Yeah.
And this is an acupressure mat. It's meant for your back, where also like a lot of acupressure points go to your entire organ systems. And also everyone has a lot of chronic back pain. Like that's a pretty common concern that we see. So this too has little spikies on each one of these. It's just hard plastic, so it's not going to hurt or anything like that. It's just going to feel a little spiky. This one is called acupressurefitness.com mat, but we checked out that URL and it doesn't work anymore. So what I would do is just maybe go on to your favorite online search engine and check in, like type in acupressure mat, and that will work. It's nothing fancy. Like
some come with like a pillow, like a rounded pillow, so you can do your neck a little bit. You can also, this is flexible, so if you want to do your neck, you can just roll it like this and do that. Yeah. Obviously you can't do it at the same time. And you can also sit on it if you want to get some activation on your hamstrings and glute area. You can hang it over the back of your couch while you're watching TV or doing whatever you do on a couch. And there's also different degrees, like you can go without any clothing on and lay on top of it. That's the most extreme. You can go with like a light sheet over it, or like I'm gonna have a shirt on when I wear it, or you can put more layers of clothing between you and the mat, or a blanket over it if you want to graduate yourself up into that sensation.
Yeah, and again, won't be anything too extreme, but depending on how sensitive your skin is, like just try with a towel, then go down into like sheet and then bare skin.
And it's really common, especially if you have a lighter skin tone, to see redness afterwards. Totally normal, and it should fade away within like an hour at most. There shouldn't be any scratches. Like you're not like doing some crazy back scratch situation on here. You're just laying and letting the mat do the work for you. So should I lay back on it?
Yeah, sure.
Show you.
Let gravity do the job. Okay.
And it feels super great. Like I love this moment. And you can have a pillow behind you, like I could prop my head up if I want to with something. Yeah. Or I can just lay flat, and it's kind of getting my scalp a little bit too, which feels great.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, well, thank you for stopping in, guys. Stay healthy, have fun. Let us know if you have any questions about acupressure or how to use these items, and we will comment back below. Bye.